What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing live praying mantis eggs that I ordered online. Here's the box it came in, small little box, cool sticker. Hey, insects and live plants in here. Let's carefully cut this open. Each egg case, I have 2 of them, is supposed to hatch anywhere from 50 to 200 live praying mantis babies. That is sick, right? I want to be really careful. Okay. Here we go. We're about to see the eggs that lie inside. Alright. So inside we have a container. I'm going to pull that out. Nothing else in the box. Box is now empty. Put the box aside. And now we're going to take a look at the container. It's just a clear container. A little small one. It has tape to hold the lid down. Inside I see some paper. And it looks like the eggs. There's no hatching going down yet. But hopefully we'll have some praying mantis babies soon. These are Chinese praying mantis. Let's open it and see inside. Whoa. So this was just some cushion to help the eggs from moving around too much in there. There's nothing in there. We're going to put this aside. Just put it right there. And here are the eggs. Wow, that looks cool. I'm just going to pick one up. They're very lightweight. Feels like they don't weigh like anything. Man, they look crazy. Kind of gross. They feel very fragile. I hope they're doing fine in there. I hope they're alive. Hope they hatch soon. And I have little beautiful praying mantis babies running around the garden. Wow, this is kind of gross. Wow. These things are crazy. Here's a smaller one. Whoa, they're so light. They feel so fragile. Like I can just crush it. Of course, I'm not going to do that because I care about these little suckers. I want them to grow, release them into the garden so they can help with some garden pests. If you guys are interested in learning more about these or getting some for yourself, I'm going to put the link to some praying mantis eggs in the description of this video down below. That link will take you directly to the product page where you can see the item, learn more about it, and see similar items at similar price ranges and different price ranges. And you can even decide to make a purchase if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you. So I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Dad, how did you open it? Whoa.
Okay?
Okay, please.
I'm gonna get the food. I'm on the way to food.
Okay, thank you. Sky, you are amazing.
You open the mommy.